Hello everyone, we have given a plus a 20, b plus b 10, c plus c 8 and we have to find a plus b times c. So let's start. So we have given linear equation and we have to find first the values of a, b, c, then simply put in that to find the value. Now a plus a is 2a, which is equals to 20, and to isolate a will divide both sides by 2, so the value of a is 10. Similarly 2b is 10, to isolate b divide both sides by 2, so the value of b is 5. 2c is 8, so c is equals to 8 by 2, that is 4. Now a plus b times c. So 10 plus 5 times 4. Now we have given two operations, that is addition and multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule or PEMDAS rule, you have to follow first multiplication. So 10 times 20, 10 plus 20, that is 30. So what replace the question mark? 30. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.